Hey y'all, what is up YouTube? Sparky Mark here, and I'm back to do what I've recently got, and I made a promise to you all that I made another video right now for this particular item. Now, what is in this here item? What is it, folks? What is it? Anybody know what's in here? Oh, wait a minute, it's the package that arrived yesterday, but there's a problem. I opened it up. Nothing. Like, zilch. Nada. Zippo. Did I got ripped off again? What the heck? Oh, wait a minute. It's gotta be around here somewhere. I'll be right back in a sec. I found it, and it's finally arrived. The Grand Theft Auto Trilogy Definitive Edition. Now, I've been hearing a lot of mixed opinions about this game, maybe because of the graphics. I mean, I just saw the graphics on YouTube recently a month ago, and I gotta say, it is superb, and the weapons are detailed. Kind of like it's beating up the PS2, but heck, what should I know? Heck, it's great. No lie, no kidding. And secondly, folks, I mean, I don't give a damn what anyone says. I love the GTA trilogies. It's amazing, and it's superb. It's great. Magnificent. What's there not to like? Weapons are cool, everything about it, and look at it, y'all. Just look at it. I mean, this came out in 2001, 2, and 2004. And like, wow, folks, this is amazing. Enough chit-chat. Let's unwrap it. Like right now, folks. Let's check it out. Like right now. All right, y'all. It is out of the plastic. And now let's take a look at it from a very good point of view. The spine. Very, very carefully. Back. There we go. Okay, here it is. And look at it very, very carefully. Liking it. And it's all region. A, B, and C. No much of backwards except you got warnings and health safety. You got safety warnings here and health. And here's the disc. Not a 3-disc set as you're expecting. This is a 1-disc set, and you can choose which one you like. After 20 years, y'all. Wow. Has it been that long? Huh. So yeah. Excuse me. So yeah. I'm glad to have the GTA trilogies in this set. I have it on the. You saw my reviews on those, and now this one. So I'm glad I have a complete GTA set. So yeah, any of you folks like GTAs, let me know in the description box down below. If any of you remember playing this game back when you were attending middle school onto high school days, and maybe elementary school days, if any of your cousins, your friends' relatives ever introduced you to the GTA franchise, let me know in the description box down below. So anyways, this is Sparky Mark signing off, y'all. Take care, God bless you. I'll see you all in the next vid. And enjoy Martin Luther King weekend. Catch you later, y'all.